Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend 001 out there in the Walmart parking lot in California on this Cobra 29 LTD Classic. John, we got it repaired for you. Did a tune and alignment. Put your dial watt right here on the Delta tune knob. And got this signal meter set up for you. Works on transmit and on receive. No doubt about that. Let's get right to it. 5-watt slug. There's half-watt carrier. Let me roll it all the way up. 5 watts all the way up. I'll go over here and show you average power swing, 100-watt slug. Low, almost 10 bird. Go to the peak side. Low, about 34 peak. Alright, John, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.